In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert your existing Google Analytics account to the new GA4 setup. Whether you're a seasoned digital marketer or just getting started, transitioning to GA4 can seem daunting, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. To start, you'll want to navigate to your Google Analytics homepage. You can simply type Google Analytics into your browser, or if you prefer, use a bookmark if you have one set up. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a dashboard with various metrics and reports related to your website's performance. Next, we need to grab the measurement ID. This ID is crucial as it allows GA4 to track data from your site. To find it, look for the area in your dashboard where your existing properties and accounts are listed. When you select your current property, you should see the measurement ID displayed. It's typically a string of numbers and letters prefixed with G- or UA- depending on your current setup. Make sure to copy this ID carefully, as we'll need it in just a moment. Now, let's move on to Google Tag Manager, which is the tool we'll use to set up your new GA4 property. If you don't already have a Tag Manager account, you'll need to create one, but assuming you do, go ahead and log into your account. Once inside, look for the option to create a new tag. This is where we'll do the majority of our setup. Click on Tags in the left-hand menu and then select New to create a new tag configuration. In the tag configuration window, you'll need to select Google Analytics GA4 configuration. This is a crucial step because it tells Google Tag Manager that you're setting up a GA4 property as opposed to the older Universal Analytics. After selecting this option, you'll be prompted to enter your measurement ID. This is where that ID you copied earlier comes into play. Paste it into the measurement ID field provided. With your measurement ID in place, the next step is to configure your trigger. For most users, the All Pages trigger is the best choice, as it ensures that data is collected from every page on your site. Select this option from the triggers list and add it to your tag configuration. Finally, once all these settings are in place, it's time to save your new tag and publish it. Look for the Submit button in Google Tag Manager, which will allow you to publish your changes live to your site. Once published, your new GA4 setup will start collecting data immediately. And there you have it. You've successfully transitioned from the traditional Google Analytics setup to GA4. Remember, GA4 brings new features and insights, so take some time to explore its capabilities. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.